Identify parts, controls with specification of a bottle cooler.
Dear viewers, in this exercise, you are going to learn to identify the parts and their controls with the specifications of a bottle cooler.
Tools required: screwdriver, line tester, goggles, hand gloves, multimeter, thermometer. Equipments: horizontal type bottle cooler, vertical type bottle cooler. Materials: clean cloth, clean water in a bucket, insulation tape. Identify different types of bottle cooler. The horizontal type bottle cooler employs natural convection of air inside storage cooling compartment. The advantage of this type of bottle cooler is during opening door, the heat loss is minimum due to the flow of air inside storage. The compartment is natural and not force driven. These type of bottle coolers are used in offices and markets. The vertical type bottle cooler employs mostly forced air type cooling. In this type, bottles are arranged in different ways and opening of door is very small. Because of this, the circulation of cooling of bottles are even, not allowing the left out uncooled bottle due to the long space available inside the cooling compartment. In the commercial type bottle cooler, indirect cooled evaporators are used. A line carrying cold water from the cold water tank winding around the storage cabinet, and thus the cooling temperature is achieved. Bottle cooler serves to store various types of beverage fresh by lowering the temperature of the bottle coolers. Identify different types of bottle cooler. Check the horizontal type bottle cooler and label it. Check the vertical type bottle cooler and label it. Check which has convection type evaporator and label it. Check which has forced air drawn cooling cabinet and label it. Identify parts and components in a bottle cooler compressor. Compressor. Locate the compressor which is installed near fan motor. Identify bottle cooler. Employ hermetically sealed compressor. Check compressor HP, amps, volts given in compressor name plate. Evaluate inlet and outlet of the compressor by tracing suction line of the compressor. Similarly, locate the discharge line of the compressor. Now, start the unit. Check compressor amps and fan motor amperes using multimeter or tongue tester. Condenser. Check coil arrangement and fin arrangement in condenser. Study how condenser is fixed to bottom tray. Check the fan motor and blade fitted adjacent to condenser. Capillary tube. In direct expansion type bottle cooler, capillary tube is used as expansion device. Observe which type of filter dryer is connected to the capillary tube. Evaporator. Locate the cooling compartment in bottle cooler. Check the cooling coil is wound inside the storage compartment and cooling coil is wound outside the storage compartment. Identify controls and functions of electrical components in a bottle cooler. Fan motor. Locate the fan motor attached to the condenser in the condensing unit of the bottle cooler. Switch on the bottle cooler and understand that the fan motor serves to cool down the condenser coil carrying high temperature and high pressure refrigerant.
Dear viewers, in this lesson, you have learnt the functions of different types of bottle coolers with the specification of their parts. With this, we have come to an end of this exercise.